Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Tricky Maths Part 52. Here we see 3 empty glasses and 3 full glasses. So here are the 3 empty glasses and here are the 3 full glasses. We need to move one glass so that every second glass is either full or empty. That is, no 2 adjacent glasses are either full or empty. So that's a very interesting puzzle. You are invited to pause the video here, read the question carefully, and see if you can solve it for yourself. So I'm going to move on now to discuss the solution. Now here's a hint. This is the glass you are allowed to move. That's all I'm going to tell you, and you've got to decide what you're going to do with it. So you can move this one. Let's see what happens on the next slide. Lift this glass, that one there, pour the contents into the second glass from the left. So when you lift this one, you pour the contents here into that glass and put it back here. So after you pour the contents into that glass, you return the empty glass to this position. Now what do we have when we do that? And there we are. Empty, full, empty, full, empty, full. So if you take any 2 glasses that are next to each other, one of them's empty and one of them's full. Doesn't matter which 2 you take. One of them's empty and one of them's full, and that's what the problem was asking. I hope you enjoyed that problem. That was a little bit tricky. I really like that one.